everyone, I'm Cheryl Seco from avoidingmold.com, and I want to talk a little bit about our new trailer. So this is a safari condo. It's backwards there, I'm sure, but Alto 2114. So it's 21 feet long. Our previous trailer, if you see my YouTube videos online, was the 1713 with the retractable roof, and that one was 18 feet long. That one fit in our garage with an 8-foot garage door. This one does not. It's 8'4" tall. It does have a awning that we don't have to actually attach it. It just opens up. It has 4 more feet. So in the front is a table and chairs for 4, where our other one had 2. This is like a kitchen area, and then we have a king bed in the back that can also be 2 couches or 2 twins. So we do have the caravan mover here. So that's always a savior for fights on trying to organize our trailers. But that's our new trailer. I'm going to go a little longer today just to let you know more about it. It is very lightweight. We have a bigger car to pull it. You don't need that. We are out for over a month on this trip in Florida. We are in South Florida. Well, not in South Florida. We're in Eastern Florida, where we're getting evacuated due to the hurricane or the tropical storm. So it is a lovely place. This is Anastasia State Park. You can see we're one of the few people left. The winds are going to get high, and these trees are going to become a danger. So plus we have a lightweight trailer that I don't like in high winds. So it's a great trailer. It's very lightweight. We can see behind stuff. There's no wood in it, even though I am a wood fan. I am not a wood fan of wooden trailers, and that makes it lighter weight. What else can I tell you about this? It is not well insulated. So this is not a trailer this is a 2.5 season trailer. We've been in our other one, and it got down to like 24. We have to drain the water if it gets that cold, and we did get below freezing when we were coming down here, and we probably will when we go back up north after this trip in Florida in December. So but anyway, so but for the other seasons, it's great. We do have air conditioning. We've been using the air conditioning here in Florida because it's very humid, and I do understand why they have so much mold here in Florida, because the weather's been about, like, say it was 78, 79 degrees, but with the 91% humidity, that felt like 86 degrees, and the dew point, I think, was 76, which means we're air conditioning colder than 76, because that's still pretty uncomfortable. But that means you're having condensation on everything. So we had a lot of condensation on the outside of the windows when we're air conditioning. That would be normal because it's humid outside. In cold climates where you have the moisture from your breath and your skin inside and from cooking or showering or bathing, washing, then you have the moisture on the inside and you have the condensation on the cold glass. Either way, the glass gets cold, and whatever side is cold is going to be the opposite side is where it's going to have condensation. Can't do much about that. That's nature. So thanks for watching. Check out my website, avoidingmold.com, my education, under the education tab, especially my moisture basics, for those of you building my Build a Safe Home masterclass. Or you can also check out my Dwell Well Institute online subscription community. You get 3 months of that free with the masterclass, the Build a Safe Home. You also get a month free, I believe, with the moisture basics. So you can check that out. There's over 50, 60 videos there, and we keep making more, and I come on with live Q&A there. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. For more free information on safe building, avoiding mold, and water damage, visit avoidingmold.com.